Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question 32. If x equal to minus 5 and y equal to minus 5, find the value of open bracket x plus y square close brackets. A, we have 20, B, we have 25, C, we have 30, and D, we have 35. So it is given that x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 5. That means x and y are negative integers. Now we are asked to find the value of what? The value of x plus y square in brackets. Now take note that this square is for y alone, not for all. So therefore we have that this is equal to open brackets minus 5, because it is given that our x is minus 5, plus open brackets our y is what? Our y is minus 5 square, close the bracket. Now this is equal to open brackets minus 5 plus, now minus 5 square will give us what? Will give us 25. Like we know, minus 5 square simply means what? Minus 5 times minus 5. And like we know, when you have minus times minus is equal to plus. So when you have minus 5 times minus 5 is equals to what? Plus 25. Plus 25. So therefore minus 5 square is equals to what? Plus 25. Plus 25 minus 5 square is equals to plus 25. This is 5 here. So therefore we have that this is equal to minus 5. I'm opening the brackets now. Plus times plus will give us what? Plus. So you have minus 5 plus 25, which is a minus 5 square. And then this can also be written as what? 25 minus 5. And 25 minus 5 is equal to what? 20. So 20 is our answer. Now let's look at the options. Option A here says what? 20. So option A is our answer. Remember, we're given that x is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to minus 5, and we have to find the value of x plus y square in brackets. And like I told you, since x and y are negative integers, we have that minus 5, which is equal to x plus open bracket minus 5 square. And like you know, when you are dealing with a square, it means you're multiplying the number by itself, and that means you're multiplying minus 5 times minus 5. And like you know, minus times minus is equal to positive. So therefore minus 5 times minus 5 will give us a positive integer, which is plus 25. And so when you add minus 5, a negative integer, plus a positive integer plus 25, it's the same thing as saying what? 25 minus this 5. And so we have 20, and therefore 20 is our answer, A. Thank you very much and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.